Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you need to make a mask, make your image masking like this. You look like this, to look like this, to look like this. So what you do, go to the page where you're creating it from. First of all, for me, like I can make a background a bit black or any color I feel like that. Then I can add an image widget. After adding an image widget, go in and select an image you need to mask. For example, I may need to mask this one. Select it, make it full width, like that. Then click on advanced, scroll down, look for mask. Click on it, then open. Now you can see after clicking on it, we have here circle, depending on the shapes we are making. Circle, make a flower, uh, make a sketch, triangle, bob, like that, hexagon, like that, and even custom, assuming you need to set an image. For example, this one. So you can even center it, put it on the left and the right, anywhere you feel like. You can put like repeat, depending on what you have selected. For example, can get this one, then I set to repeat, or repeat round like that, space. That's how you can make an image mask, or you can mask any image you feel like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.